Hello, my name is Matthew. You first may be wondering, what is your purpose? I don't know. But that's okay. Just because you don't know your purpose doesn't mean you don't have one. And don't worry, if you don't know your purpose, that's okay. You'll find it one day. I know I don't have all the answers, but trust me on this one. Life is about finding your purpose. What is my purpose? How do I fit into this world? Nothing makes sense. I just want it to end. I know how it feels. Trust me, I've had those moments too. Just remember, you are special. There's no one else like you. There will never be anyone else like you. I'm here with you. So if you have any questions or just want to say hello, leave it down in the comments. I'm here with you.